Hi, David Hallett with another update about our Public Works Conference coming up in only 8 weeks on the 13th, 14th and 15th of May at Ridges, Melbourne. Now, the program is out. Hope you've seen it on our website. We're covering all the key interest areas for public works engineering professionals: roads, traffic and transport, integrated water management, development engineering, waste and resource recovery, disaster recovery and reconstruction, and of course, a session on asset management. So, all the things, all the technical things for public works engineering professionals. If you're a registered engineer, there's 20 hours of CPD available to you. If you're not, doesn't matter. It's still a fantastic learning and development experience. So we hope to see you there, and we hope you'll return to your offices with a spring in your step, hope in your heart, full of inspiration for the work you can do for your communities. Look forward to seeing you there.